You met her at the gym?
Yeah, I met her at the gym.
Yeah. So she got your name, right? So she found you on Snapchat. It's not that hard.
I don't know.
It's a high interest. It's a high interest. It's a bold move. That means she already likes you. The only thing you have to do is not fuck it up.
Yeah, that's why I'm like talking to someone who knows this. Any advice you want to give me for like Saturday that I should do?
All right, tell me what's going on. Abe, right?
Yeah, it's Abe. I'm a teen, and the girl, like I told her, she was like 25 or 26, I guess. We met in the gym, and we were talking, having like fun conversation, and I asked her number, and she just gave me, and I asked her out. Like I'm kind of nervous because we have a date on Saturday, and I'm nervous because obviously just due to the age factor, to be honest.
What did I tell you in my DM when you DM'd me?
Age have no attraction.
Age shouldn't matter.
Yeah.
Especially here. She has a million options she could do. She's a pretty girl. She can do anything on what? When do you guys have the date? Saturday. She can do anything on Saturday. The only thing that will fuck up your date on Saturday is not your age.
Oh.
It's your nervousness.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I do.
She has a million options to go anywhere, and she chose to go on a date with you. So that already shows her interest.
Yeah.
The only important thing now is that you stay in your power, that you are your masculine on the date, that you don't try to entertain her. Right now, you're thinking in a way, oh, I want this to work out, and I don't know if it's working out because she's 25 and you're 18, but I don't want you to think like that. I want you to think like she has to show you why she should be with you, because I want you to think of yourself as a powerful man. You understand?
Yeah, I do. So, like, any advice you want to give me for like Saturday that I should do in particular?
Work with silence.
Okay.
Like, don't feel the need on the date to talk when there's silence.
Yeah.
Don't feel the need to, when you guys have a conversation, suddenly the conversation runs out. Don't feel the need to be like a dancing monkey and go in like, oh, so did you hear about the NBA, or did you hear about Allen Iverson, or did you hear about Chris Brown, or whatever topic you're looking for, or are you playing tennis, or asking her questions just to fill the silence.
Yeah.
Silence is important, and then you stay confident in the silence because the silence builds tension. It's normal that things like on some point peter out but people get uncomfortable with, and that if you stay uncomfortable with it, the girl will know that you're not as confident.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So that is staying in your power, and don't be too reactive to her. And on some point, she might test you, like, don't like react. Have you seen the video? Like, have you seen the video with me in the car and the three girls?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, when the girls think they can ask me about, oh, you got to be romantic and like the flowers and all that stuff. And I'm like, do you even have a boyfriend? Because on some point she's gonna test you maybe for something,
Yeah.
Or okay, here's the thing. I think if you're worried about the age thing, I think it's gonna come up, and she's gonna be like, you know what? I never wanted to go like on a date with you actually because I thought we were too young, and I don't know if we can talk about the same thing. And then you're gonna be like, I had the same thing. I thought you were too old, and it wouldn't be you wouldn't be as youthful, and you wouldn't be as fun to be around. So I just took the risk and saw if you can actually keep up with me.
Oh, turning table around. I got you. Yeah.
Come up with your own stuff. Once you get in your power, you will come up with that kind of stuff because you're in your power. If a girl tells me I'm too young, I'll be like, and there's girls telling me too young, but I'm going to be exactly like that. I'll be like, hey, you might be too old for me. Like, I just want to see if you can keep up with me, How do I know you can keep up with me?
Yeah.
How do I know you can keep up with my youthful energy? I don't know if you have enough energy to keep up with me. That's like testing her, bro. You do the reverse. If you do the reverse, I'm giving you like gold right now. But you can't say it as like, you got to say it from your confidence. You can't say it as like a pick-up trick just to, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You meditate?
Sorry?
You meditate?
No.
Yeah, you need to stop meditating.
Oh.
It makes you more grounded, so it makes you more attracted to her. And it gives you more masculine energy because you're more in your power,
Yeah.
and it builds also gives the sexual tension just because you're more in your power.
Yeah.
So meditation, and it helps you for your whole life. Not only like girls, it's for yourself.
Girls are like secondary part of your life. They're just part of your life. They are not your life.
You got to follow your purpose first. You follow your dream, girls will come.
Yeah.
But girls are not attracted to someone who is just out for girls. Girls are not attracted to you if you make them number one. You want to make your life number one. You are the main actor in your movie. You are the main actor. You
Yeah.
don't want to be her featured actor. What?
Yeah.
Living your own life. She has her own life. She's the own movie star in her movie. You are the own movie star in your movie. You're Tom Cruise in your movie. She's the Emma Watson in her movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be an alpha male, you want to say?
Well, being an alpha male is just basically being in your power. Alpha male is the word is thrown around like people have science about it. It's stupid.
Yeah.
Like, and most of the time, people who say they're alpha males aren't even alpha males. They pretend to be alpha males just to be attracted to women.
Yeah.
That's an alpha male.
Yeah.
An alpha male is in the power of himself.
Yeah.
And women are just gonna be automatically attracted to that. But you don't do it for women, you do it for yourself.
Yeah.
It's a good conversation, by the way. It's gonna help a lot of people.
Yeah, yeah. Like, and I want to ask, like, if something like intense happens, you know, but I don't know. I know it usually don't happen on first date, but if something like that happens, so I should go
Like
for
an
it.
earthquake?
Sorry?
Like an earthquake?
Not an earthquake. I mean, like a sexual intention or a sexual tension or something. Like when you make an eye.
Condoms? What?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
it's not
okay,
my first time.
then we good. And,
Yeah.
but
No.
what's the question? You have a different. What's intense? What do you mean with intense?
I mean, like, if you know, right? When you're in a moment, like you can feel that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just asking, like, I should go for that on my first date, or I should like give it a break, you know, let it off.
You mean kissing or?
Yeah, like kissing,
Sex?
or even more than that. If something happens, you never know, right?
Yeah, I mean, are you excited about it?
Excited? I'm okay. Like, what to be excited about?
If you are, God, it's always so if and in the future and this and that. Look, you're gonna be in the moment, right?
Yeah.
If in the moment you're excited to kiss her and it feels right, then do it. If in the moment it happens that you guys both are excited and inspired to have sex, then have sex. If it's fun, you know? And then you can see where it's going, but if it's happening, it's a good thing. Don't hold yourself back. Don't have like resistance about it. If you guys are both excited about it and it's not something you do because you feel like you have to just to get her be more attracted to you, then it's the right choice to do. Trust yourself. That's a man in his power trusts themselves.
Yeah.
And in their power trust themselves.
She added me on Snapchat. I have no idea. Like, where did she find my Snapchat? Because I just texted her on her number. She gave me on my phone. But I don't know. Apparently, I received a request on like midnight that this like added you on Snapchat, and I was like,
but you met her at the gym, right? You met her at the gym.
Yeah, I met her at the gym.
Yeah. So she got your name, right? So she found you on Snapchat. It's not that hard.
I don't know.
It's a high interest. It's a bold move. That means she already likes you. She already likes you. The only thing you have to do is not fuck it up.
Yeah, that's why I'm like talking to someone who knows this, right?
Yeah,
like,
but the thing is, do less. You don't have to. You already got her, basically. Don't fuck it up. Just like, don't do extra shit. Like, just don't try hard. Like, you already got her. Just be with her. Build the sexual tension by being in your masculine. Talk to her smoothly, and that's basically. And then you got it, bro. She already interested in it. It's a win-win. She's interested. You didn't force her to anything. That's a good situation you're in. And tell me what like happened after. You know?
Yeah. So she was like sending me snaps of her and her friends hanging out. Like, should I like? Yeah, she was.
That's great.
Should I snap back, or I didn't reply to that though.
You don't have to reply. Do you have the date set up?
Yeah, we are meeting on Saturday.
Yeah, you don't have to reply.
Oh yeah, that's why. Cause I thought it might be awkward, like talking to her before date. Like it doesn't make sense, right? Like
No, you don't have to reply.
Yeah.
If she thinks that's awkward that you don't reply,
Yeah.
then she's insecure and you don't want to be with her anyway. You don't have to reply. You
Yeah.
could reply if you wanted to make a Snapchat with some friends, or you could make one by yourself, whatever Snapchat you wanted to do. But I don't think you really want to do a Snapchat.
Oh.
I don't
Okay.
think you. No, I actually don't. You don't have an idea. It doesn't seem like it's something that excites you, and you don't need to. Her Snapchats, were her Snapchats questions? Was it question? Did she ask a question in her Snapchat?
No, she was just sending her pictures of her friends.
So
And
she didn't ask for anything?
I?
No, did she ask for anything?
No.
So I guess it's no reply needed.
Yeah.
Common sense. Yeah. No, it's important that I tell you this because a lot of guys ask me and they get confused. They're like, "Oh, I have to respond to everything." That's sometimes a test of women too. They want to see how you respond. So you don't respond. You stay in your masculine. Maybe she try to test you. Oh, maybe he's young. Maybe he responds with some stupid. No, you don't respond.
Yeah.
You chill. Saturday is the date, not the Snapchat stuff. And don't only focus only on her. Keep approaching girls in the gym. Keep approaching. Build an abundance mentality. Build an abundance of women.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm also seeing a girl in school.
That's dope.
Yeah.
See, but don't trick girls either.
No.
You see the girl at school and she asks you, "Are you my boyfriend?" Bro, if you tell her you're your boyfriend, I don't teach you anymore.
Like I didn't get you. What do you mean?
Don't ever tell her. Don't lie to a girl. If she asks you, "Are you dating other people?" you say yes.
Oh. Okay.
Why would you have to lie about that?
Why would because we're not like in a relationship.
Because if you have to lie, if you have to lie about if she wants a relationship but you don't want a relationship, she has a choice to leave.
Yeah.
But a lot of times she enjoys having your company. She doesn't leave, and she can't force you to be in a relationship.
Yeah.
But you have to be authentic enough to tell her, "Hey, you're not my girl. Don't pretend you. Don't hurt people's feelings. That's fucked up. That's not a man being in their power. That's a lazy motherfucker. That's someone who's not in their power. That's someone who's fearful because they're scared that their girlfriend, that their girl leaves them.
Yeah.
If they don't pretend it's their girlfriend, you know, all the girls I'm with, know that I'm dating other girls until I build a connection to someone enough that she's my girlfriend.
Oh.
If I make that decision.
Oh yeah.
Don't become that person.
And I have a personal question for you. Like, I don't know, you might sound it awkward. Can I ask? My question is, like, if you want to last longer in bed, what do you do?
Okay.
Yeah. Because I've seen, like, interviews of some guys on internet. They say that women like that men who last longer. If you know what I mean.
Listen to me now, okay? You're trying to please another person. A lot of guys do it. They just want to impress the girl. They just want to last long. They just want to give her pleasure. Of course, the sex is important. The sex has to be good. But that's all the connection thing. And the connection thing can only happen if you're relaxed. If you with low resistance. Performance stress gives you resistance, and she can relax more if you are relaxed. I'm a king.